Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your email address on GoWish. So let's dive into the video without further ado. Open your GoWish application and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you are signed in, go ahead and tap on the menu button appearing at the top right hand corner. Now this will open up this interface from where you'll need to tap on Account. Under the account profile, scroll down and go to this email tab. Tap on the box and enter a new email you'd like to change to for your account. When done, tap on save. You will now receive an inbox to the email address that you just entered. Go ahead and open up your email inbox and then you will receive an email from GoWish. Go ahead and tap it open and then click on this change email option. Select one of the web browser you are trying to use and then it'll take you to gowish.com on a web browser. Accept to all of the terms of service and privacy policy by tapping accept all and you will be taken to this gowish.com website. And if you go to the menu button at the top right, you should be able to see your email change. So that's how easy it is to change your email address on GoWish. Next time you try to log into your account, you'll now need to enter the newly created email. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.